The second week of February, which is usually fabled for being the week of love and celebration of Valentine's Day, well, it came with a huge shocker as yet another major scandal hit the Nigerian police force. As its hugely decorated Super Cop, Deputy Commissioner of Police Abba Kyari was declared wanted by the Nigerian Drug Law Enforcement Agency over his links with the southeastern drug cartel. The NDLEA Director of Media and Advocacy, Femi Babafemi, in a press release gave a detailed explanation of how the already suspended DCP Kyari contacted one of the Drug Enforcement Agency's officer after his intelligence response team squad had intercepted and taken into custody a 25 kg of cocaine, but will only hand over just 10 kg to the NDLEA for prosecution. Abba Kyari was accused of tampering with the evidence, even going further to offer to sell 5 kg of the 10 kg released to the NDLEA for prosecution for $61,400, which would be of 35 million naira equivalent. The NDLEA had released a video of Abba Kyari on Monday, where a camera was placed in a strategic position where he was trying to broker a deal with an NDLEA officer in a corrupt attempt where they would both share the proceeds of the drug deal. DCP Kyari was further accused of having connections with a notorious Brazil-Ethiopia-Nigerian drug cartel that runs different types of drug through this channel in and out of the country. This is yet another major debacle the embattled police officer Abba Kyari will get caught up in. Just last year, June, he was fingered by the Federal Bureau of Investigation of America for involvement in multiple fraud cases involving international Nigerian fraudster Ramon Abbas, aka Hush Puppy. Abba's extradition to the US was still under contention, and yet these two. Do you think this is a case of avoiding Abba Kyari's extradition?